Josh Brown's best stocks in the market. The spotlight today is on a name that has hit a 52-week high today. It is Coupang, CPNG.
Yeah, so we were talking about the dollar before. One of the bull markets that's taking place right now that not a lot of people are that excited about, at least not yet, is emerging market stocks. They're really starting to go. The IEMG is having a great year, outperforming the S&P. Within the IEMG, Korean stocks are the fourth largest country allocation. The Kospi is on fire, up 28%. Korea's 2550 index, which is a little bit growthier, is up 42%. And almost nobody knows this or is paying any attention. Coupang is on the best stocks in the market list because it's a Korean business, but it's incorporated and based in Seattle. So this is a U.S. company with a U.S. founder, but most of their business is being the Amazon of South Korea. The best comp here is Mercado Libre, Meli. Meli is up 9,000% plus since its IPO. This company is probably 5 years behind Meli in terms of its margins, its earnings, its growth. So there's still a lot of opportunity. It came public in 21. Everybody forgot about it because the whole growth stock market crashed for a year. But now it's working its way back. And the reality is that it's not terribly expensive. It's at a 40% drawdown from that 21 high. Barclays has a $36 target. And it's a best stock. It's breaking out. You've got a 50 to 200-day moving average crossover, which signals short-term momentum. And I think the stock probably gets itself into the mid-30s at a minimum based on the breakout that we've seen. So Coupang is a name that not a lot of people know of in the United States, but it should be on people's radar.
It is on our radar now.
What do you got? You had a question?
Okay. No, it's just an interesting thing. So, we have this international strategy. And one of the things that's interesting about Korea is that people always think it's, it actually counts as an emerging market, where it's a very developed market. It's a very sophisticated, robust economy. So I wonder from an index perspective.
Great question. Vanguard does not consider it emerging.
Let me see an intraday. You can throw the intraday back up, please.
CPNG. Vanguard has South Korea in developed markets.
Yeah.
But the MSCI has it as emerging.
Weird, right?
Which is why the BlackRock, the iShares products that are based on MSCI include South Korea as emerging, and it's right behind Taiwan, India, and China as the fourth largest weight. But this is a U.S. stock that a large mid-cap U.S. stock that you can use to capitalize on what's happening with Korean stocks, which is just absolute dynamite this year.
All right. We will continue to watch CPNG. Mike Santoli, he's next with his midday word after this break.